Hi guys, and welcome back to Crypto Chester, and today I'm here to talk to you about a project called Bdag. Okay, so this is the project that has come across my desk that I have found here, and I'm very intrigued to really do an in-depth video about this because it is in a pre-sale phase, but it's getting a lot of attention across the crypto space right now because it's meant to be a brand new layer 1 blockchain piece of technology that's meant to basically revolutionize the space here. Okay, so I'm going to be breaking this down from a fundamental perspective and then looking into some sort of price prediction for this potential asset. Okay, so let's get straight into this. So Bdag is the name. I presume DAG is the ticker. Let's start off with essentially what Bdag is. Okay, so Bdag represents a transformative leap in blockchain technology, as I just said there. It's not just another innovation, it's a version of a decentralized future where transactions are fast, secure, and accessible to everyone. Okay, so those are the three sort of gimmicks here in new layer 1 blockchain technology. So the fact that they're covering them is already a good sign. Bdag is committed to breaking barriers, making blockchain more efficient and environmentally sustainable. Okay, so one of the biggest things about Bitcoin's proof of work ecosystem is the fact that its computing power to mine Bitcoin is very negative on the environment. Okay, it's not good at all. So what Bdag is doing, it's taking sort of the blockchain proof of work and the Casper model as well, merging the two with DAG technology here, as you can see here. And if you don't know what DAG technology is, we're going to be going into that very quickly in a minute. Speed and scalability is sort of the gimmick of the whole thing. It's basically just how different data sets are sort of visualized data modeling and scientific computation applications. Okay, so yeah, a little bit past my pay grade, but it is it's to do with the graph of nodes, and we know obviously nodes are very important in proof of work. Okay, so the real meat on the bone here is basically, does it make it faster? Does it make it scalable? And is it environmentally friendly? Yes, it's ticking all of those boxes. So Bdag has found a really good, unique selling point in the development of this blockchain technology. And that is why I'm very intrigued to see how this asset is going to be doing. They are currently in a pre-sale phase right now, and they have raised, I do believe, roughly $150 million, I think I read somewhere on their website. Absolutely amazing stuff so far. If they have raised that, really good. And we're going to get into the reason as to why I think they have raised that. Number one, it is the fact that they've got some new blockchain technology, some really strong developments in the space, which is going to benefit blockchain and sort of the adoption side of blockchain as well. And you can see they're powered by OpenAI, Gemini, GitHub, Google, Bing, Visa, Google Mail, like Adobe. These are blue chip companies, guys, that are associated with this brand, and that's probably why it has raised a substantial amount of money, talking $150 million. Core attributes here: it's lightning fast, decentralized, secure, EVM compatible, very important here. So basically seamlessly interpretability with Ethereum's ecosystem. So if someone, say a dev, is building a project on Ethereum, they'll be able to build it with the same code on Bdag. Okay, so it's very rare, guys, that we find a layer 1 blockchain that isn't actually launched yet with new technology. We saw how Sui came out of the gate swinging. There's the $151 million. Yeah, we saw how Sui came out of the gate swinging and do really big numbers in terms of a market cap. And I do think that Bdag is in line for something similar. Okay, now Black Friday. We obviously all know about Black Friday, and you can see here there's a special offer if you guys are intrigued and want to get involved with this pre-sale. You can actually get 150% bonus on whatever you get involved with. So whatever you purchase in this pre-sale, you'll be gifted 150% bonus. I'll leave the code for that in the description of the video so you guys can check it out, and also a link to Bdag as well. Now, you can get involved with Ethereum, USDT, BNB, Visa, MasterCard. So you can get involved with Fiat as well. Google Pay or Apple Pay, guys. So very simple, very easy to get involved with. And also, I just want to talk to you about their partners as well, because being a potentially a blue chip blockchain provider here, they've partnered up with some pretty big brands in the space. So we've got a UFC fighter here. Obviously, Alex. We all know Alex. A great fighter. And you've got Dortmund, the football team, I do believe there. And again, a partner of Inter Milan as well, guys. So these are not small partnerships. These are $1 million partnerships there. And one of the things that I love, the team is completely doxed, okay? So you can see the team is completely doxed here. You can actually go to the website, go check out their LinkedIn profiles. I have been checking them out, and yeah, very reliable, great background. So this project is looking really, really, really good in my opinion. Definitely one that you guys should take a look at, okay? And especially with a big Black Friday deal like this, it's definitely something you should go check out. Even if you just go check out the website and see what you can sort of make from this, okay? Now, you can join the pre-sale, and there is guides on how to buy that as well. And also, guys, this is one thing that has caught my eye here. It's an X1 miner app. This is really interesting. It's giving retail the chance to mine basically Bdag from their phone from installing the app, okay? Experience the simplest and most rewarding crypto mining from anywhere, okay? I was having a little trouble with this. Here we go. So you can see they've already built the app. The UI is already built. So the pre-sale is not being used to actually build the app itself, because you can see it's all working here. We've got a really, really good demo here of this working on their website. So I do believe that this thing is built, and you can basically just mine away and become part of the ecosystem and earn passive income for doing so. That does bring me on to the tokenomics of this project, guys. Tokenomics are obviously very important when it comes to a layer 1, and you can see here the miners are actually going to be allocated 75 billion% out of the 150 billion coins that are going to be minted. Okay, that's 50% of the coins. Okay, so that is amazing from a community standpoint. If you guys were to get the app, you were to start mining here, obviously you have to get in the pre-sale first, but if you did that and then you were to start mining and start making passive income off this, you know they've got the supply to back it up, and you know that they've got this for a very, very long time, having that much supply allocated for that. $50 billion in terms of the token, that's 33% here, is allocated for the lovely pre-sale. And that is what we have seen here in terms of this this filling up. $151 million raised. I think the biggest pre-sale I've ever seen, breaking records here. Very, very, very bullish. And you can see here over on their X account, they've got an amazing content strategy. They're really, really doing a very good job, I must say, raising millions of dollars here. There's probably a lot of OTC deals here because these guys are pretty well connected. If we are looking at the followers here, we can see that it's followed by some very reputable people in the space. We've got OG James, 1.3 million followers. We've got altcoin gems as well. We've got Levi, Crypto Crusaders. So yeah, some big names in the space that are backing this project here, which is a bullish sign for a pre-sale of this caliber to do really, really well, not to mention the technology itself. And the other thing that did catch my eye was the team tokens, guys. Team tokens is only at 1%, which is insanely bullish here. It just shows the team isn't greedy, and they're not in it for the money. They're in it for the tech and to really develop blockchain technology and yeah, just develop the whole thing essentially. Okay, so yeah, let's move on and let's go back to the offer that they're offering right now for this Black Friday bonus for this pre-sale, guys. All you need to do is go to claim this offer, 150% bonus on anything that you do purchase in this pre-sale here. And you can see you can also go and get the beta apps for iOS and Android for the mining side of things as well. But yeah, anything you do purchase, you'll get 150% bonus, and it's super easy to do so. All you got to do is click buy now on the website. It will then take you to this page where it's a very, very cool a spotlight sort of effect here with your cursor. And I just like to say, when you see something like this, and it just shows that there's been money and time and effort really put into the site, so it just shows that it's a lot better than a lot of the other projects out there that we are seeing, especially even layer ones, right? This is an amazing website, just to say the least. So if you want to get involved, you can. All you got to do is click that buy button, connect your wallet, choose your wallet there, and swap whatever tokens you want for that Bdag token, and you will get 150% bonus here on whatever you swap here. Remember, guys, this deal is not going to be around for very long. These guys are going to be launching here probably within the next 7 days or so. So it's very, very important that you get involved with this now if you do want to get involved with this. And I would just like to say as well, one, I haven't seen a pre-sale like this that has been so big. It's the biggest pre-sale I've ever seen, $150 million. And two, I don't think I've ever found a layer 1 based blockchain project with the utility and the development that this project has sort of done and developed here at this early stage. Okay, so we might really be in for quite a big home run here, especially getting to this pre-sale. So very, very bullish. We will be leaving this one and potentially doing some updates on this one in the future as well, because I'm very intrigued to see how this launches and see how well this does, especially in this very nice emerging alt season as well. So yeah, that is gonna be it from me. Let me know what you think of Bdag in the description of this video. Drop a little like on it as well. And also guys, just remember, it's very rare we find situations like this. So if you want to get involved, go act now, get into the description, get into the link and go check it out for yourself. Obviously not financial advice, go do your own research. That's the whole thing here, guys. Do your own research. I'm just here to give you a bit of an insight into why I think it's going to do very well. Again, that's going to be it from me. Thank you ever so much for watching. Have a fantastic day and hopefully I will see you in the next one.